Good afternoon, everyone. I have here with me one of the official candidates for this year's Mr. Nueva Ecija, Maki Emmanuel Rombase, representing the municipality of Talavera. Hello, Max.
Hello po.
I asked you a question earlier about how will you convince your fellow Nova Ecijanos to be part of the future of your province. So if I'm going to ask you the same question now, uh, will you have a different answer?
No, I will stick on my answer because I do believe that electrical safety is also something that everyone will be useful for everyone. So, especially right now that we are experiencing the climate change or summer, we will also be able to know how to be safe on fire, on everything. So if we know or if we are aware on electrical safety, then we will have a space or safe space here in our community.
How does it feel to be part of the first batch of the inaugural Mr. Nueva Ecija?
Sobrang thankful po ako and sobrang masaya po ako because here I know that we can use this as a platform to continue with our advocacy. To be honest, as an engineer po, pero my advocacy po is all about accessibility to quality education because I treasure my education. That is why I'm here standing in front of you po to continue and to showcase what education can be if we treasure it.
So medyo lumayo doon sa iyong profession, ang iyong
Yeah.
advocacy, right? So are there any initiatives na ba na may wino-work out ka na or projects na ginagawa mo as of the moment in terms of education?
So far po, as I participated and volunteered on different youth organization in Nueva Ecija, I saw po na there's a lot of people po kasi na walang opportunities and attention. So that is why I will work out po and collaborate with the LGUs, especially on making programs, making seminars in order for us to be aware of how education is important in our community.
Alright, so kamusta yung preparations mo going here sa Mr. Nueva Ecija pageant?
To be honest po, sobrang hirap. Especially, I have this skinny fat body. So, yung pag-achieve po ng best body or yung may six-pack abs and yung may putok na chest, sobrang hirap po niyang i-achieve for me kasi hindi po siya madali, especially on how I see it. Especially, may insecurity po kasi sa body, especially I have this scoliosis. So, mas mahirap po siya sa akin. So, kung efforts po ako, hindi lang siya doble, kailangan triple. So, gustong-gusto ko po talaga itong pageant na to, kaya alam nyo po na the doble, triple efforts po ako para mapakita na deserving po ako sa title.
Speaking of being deserving sa title, assuming na manalo ka ng isa sa mga crowns at stakes sa Mr. Nueva Ecija, on a scale of 1 to 10, how ready are you to represent the province?
I will rate myself 8 because I know that there's a lot of improvements I need to undergo, especially on com skills, on physical body, on my mental state and emotional, especially financial. So I need to improve more and I always believe po na there's always a room for improvement. So kaya po ni-rate ko lang yung sarili ko as 8 and not a perfect 10.
Alright, good luck sa iyo, Max. And we'll see more of you in the coming weeks. Once again, guys, we have with us Maki Emmanuel Rombase, representing the municipality of Talavera.
Thank you po.